Hey, it's your boy 87 Sinatra, the Bassett Chair, Western, baby BC De Niro, or nigga. What? He ain't getting zero, man. I'm back with another one. Early morning edition, man. It looked like P. Diddy from the city. Show no pity. I'm the Willie one, Frank the Crook from the Brook. It looked like Diddy might be coming home. Because as I read through the motion that his lawyer just filed, you know, according to him, the federal government has no evidence on him. From what I read, they got 9 videos, and the only victim they have is Cassie. Somebody let me know if I'm wrong. Maybe I can't read, but they got 9 videos. And guess who's mad about this? Guess who pissed off? The one and only Tisa tells.
Off the bat, Mark Agnifilio is back on his bullshit. New year, same him. He is back on his bullshit. Let me ask you guys a question, because Diddy is so quick to accuse everybody. He's so quick to accuse everybody of trying to leak information. They're reviewing the evidence. They can review the copy of the video as much as they want on the laptop that the government gave them. The laptop prohibits any filming, because I think it's a special screen, any screen recordings, or he cannot send it anywhere. So in that case, he can't move the information. And they can't even take a picture of the screen because it has a special coding. The pictures don't come out. Okay. So tell me why they need an electronic copy of these freak off tapes.
I'm going to tell you why. Because in America, we have a thing called due process. And whatever the DA has, I'm supposed to be able to have. That's it. That's the reason why they want the copies of the videos. Because just like they got the evidence, I have to have the evidence if I'm the defense.
Tell me why they need an electronic copy, unless they plan on distributing, in my opinion, pieces of this freak off tape so that they can humiliate and blackmail those that either stand against Diddy or who are not standing with them. But
so you mean to tell me Diddy facing life in prison, federal prison, right? Got denied for bail 3 times. Is going to get some tapes. He's going to have his lawyer put in a motion to get some tapes of a person that has him in jail, and he's going to make copies and send it out to people when these are supposed to be sealed tapes. And if anything gets out, everything's going to point back to him and his lawyer. It's all on the line right now, lady. It's on the line. It's 4th and long. And we fist just throw a Hail Mary on some bullshit to blackmail somebody, knowing that if this go wrong, and it will, if they was to try that, knowing it's over. Come on, Tisa. Come on, Tisa. Come on now. It's too much on the line.
But it is not over, okay? On top of that, they're saying that they gave freak off evidence available for inspection. Now, I know Diddy might have had over a gajillion freak offs, but how many freak offs have you had that you need to keep reviewing and reviewing and reviewing the tapes? Methinks that he is doing something with those tapes that are making the rats and roaches in his cell throw up.
This is where she tripping. She acting like he's gonna have the tapes in his cell. What are you talking about? What the fuck are you talking about? Like he gonna have the tapes in his cell, like he gonna be able to watch that shit. What's up with you, man? What's up with you?
At the very least, I think that he's not slick. Why do you need an electronic copy? An electronic copy is only helpful if you plan on emailing it and distributing it.
Or if you are planning to email or distribute it to a professional or expert to verify what's on the video, the audio, video, etc. So if you have to do that, You would have to email it. You would have to send it off to someone. Everything ain't just, hey, at this point, I don't know, man. I don't know.
And on leaking information. I know what you guys are saying. Well, Tisa, how can they confirm that the tape is real? They
There
will
you go.
get access to the tapes in due course of discovery. That discovery should happen sometime around early part of March. They want this early so that they can actually piece this out and disseminate it to other people. Again,
According to you, Tisa Tells, that's what you think. You done came on here with all kind of off the wall shit. But let's get through the video.
very, very, very odd. They're saying, Your Honor, the 9 videos at issue are so-called freak-off tapes, but victim 1, I assume that's Cassie.
They got 9 videos. Keep that in mind. They got 9 videos. So all this shit we done heard, we done drag Diddy name through the mud. They call his name is the Diddler, no Diddy. All this shit, they got 9 videos. Man, come on, bro. Come on, keep that in mind. 9 videos.
That the government has repeatedly referenced, causing wild speculation in the media. Contrary to where private sexual activity between full consenting adults and a long-term relationship, they were the so-called freak-off tapes were fully consenting adults in a long-term relationship.
She don't want to sit up here and read the shit how it's supposed to be read. The so-called freak-off tapes with victim 1 that the government has reportedly referenced, causing wild speculation in the media. Contrary to what the government has led the court and the public to believe, the so-called freak-offs were private sexual activities between fully consenting adults. They were private sexual activities between fully consenting adults in a long-term relationship, meaning it wasn't no fucking freak-offs. They don't got no tapes and no freak-offs. And this is what she don't want to admit.
So they say that there's actually 9 tapes. Like many Americans in the privacy of their own bedrooms, they sometimes feel their sexual activity. These videos unambiguously show that the person alleged in the indictment to be the victim not only consented, but thoroughly enjoyed herself. Ugh, they are so disgusting. I just have to say, they are so disgusting.
It's disgusting because it doesn't fit your narrative. What that man saw on that video, he typed it on a piece of paper, and it doesn't fit your narrative of she did not consent to having sex with Sean Combs, because the videos clearly, in his opinion, from what he saw, does not include other people. There were not freak-offs. It was in a private setting amongst 2 consenting adults in a long-term relationships. And this the part. Let's get to it.
Vile misogyny, patriarchy, ignorance about victims of SA. Are you mean to tell me that if somebody is, these are the type of people
Why she moved the goalposts
that used to use the argument that if you are raped, it doesn't count if you somehow came to the big O. There are legal arguments that were made that someone cannot be raped if they became pregnant because the body has a safety valve.
What the fuck do that have to do with the price of rice? Let's talk about this document right here. You're speculating.
That closes up access to eggs, and you cannot get pregnant unless you enjoyed it. The fact that you are filming somebody who is sex trafficked, who looks like she thoroughly enjoyed herself, and this is your defense for someone that was rugged, beat, and literally when you tried to move on, they blew up the new guy's car. They viciously beat you. Nobody could save you. And you're
none of that is in this federal case. Let's stick to the script. That's the problem. You want to stick to your own script, Tisa Tells. You want to create a narrative and you want to think it and you want to act upon what you think and what other people said. But that is not what they are charging this man for. They got 9 tapes on them. 9 tapes, man. 9 tapes with him and his ex-girlfriend. And what you're trying to sit up here and say is, at no point did she ever enjoy having sex with Diddy.
You're literally trying to say that because she was, once again, Cassie said that he made her be high out of her mind. Because she was high out of her mind and looked like she thoroughly enjoyed herself. Case closed. Diddy should go free. These people are ignorant and they're playing to the deepest levels of ignorance in American society and what we know about SA. Are you saying that if it is something with PDF file and it looked like they thoroughly enjoyed themselves, that it's not a crime?
Nothing about a PDF file is in this federal case. Let's stick to the facts.
Are you like, it's just the level of disgusting ignorance that Diddy's team is using. It just makes me throw up. And Mark Agnifilio is trash for this. Your Honor, these recordings also directly refute the allegations that Mr. Combs kept these videos as collateral. Your Honor, these recordings were not on Mr. Combs' devices and were not seized from his home. Rather, victim 1 kept these videos on her own device for years and produced them to the government herself. Okay, what's your point? She kept.
Hey, see, that's the shit I'm talking about. That's so important right there. They didn't get the 9 videos they got from Diddy. They didn't get their evidence from Diddy House. All the fuck they got was pretty much some goddamn baby oil. They got 9 videos, right? And you sit up here where it say these recordings were not on Mr. Combs' devices and were not seized from his homes. Rather, victim 1, Cassie, kept these videos on her own device for years and produced them to the government herself, meaning they didn't get that from him. She kept videos of consensual sex with her ex on her phone for years. What do you mean? What's your point? And these so-called videos that they have, that they got from her, they are being used as evidence in a federal case against Diddy. What are you talking about? What's your point? She had the videos. He didn't have them.
Okay, what's your point? She kept evidence. And it's a good thing she kept evidence. Again, Diddy's lawyers' arguments are ridiculous. You couldn't have been raped or smacked Shafrick because we have you on video enjoying yourself, even though your abuser that beats you within an inch of your life is demanding that you look like you are enjoying it and look like you're into it.
But you have the videos. You kept the videos, right? So here go you saying, oh, that's evidence. Well, according to P. Diddy's defense, this is weak ass evidence. It don't show no freak off. It don't show no minors. It ain't saying nothing about no gay people. It ain't saying nothing about no other people. All it's saying something about is a person that he was in a 10-year relationship with, lady. That's all it's saying something about.
But then also they're saying we can't believe any of the civil complaints because they don't have any video. But now they're saying to the government, well, this evidence shouldn't be used either because you have video. And with somebody that was viciously raped, keep 9 videos of her freak off?
Nobody say you shouldn't use this evidence. I think they will want to use this evidence. I think they, yeah, slam dunk, home run. This what y'all got?
Any of the civil complaints because they don't have any video. But now they're saying to the government, well, this evidence shouldn't be used either because you have video. And with somebody that was viciously raped, keep 9 videos of her freak off? All right, y'all. Okay, what's that prove? What again? They're just.
You ain't got no point on that one, Tisa. You wrong. You wrong on that. You wrong. I ain't gonna say you never have points, but on that, that's why you sitting up there like, what does that prove? She kept the goddamn. If you saying he got all this, and the feds is talking about they got all these videos, and you've been reporting for the last year that they got hundreds and dozens and all these videos and all these witnesses and all these victims and all this. And then when we boil the shit down, they get some goddamn evidence, and all they got is 9 videos, bruh. All they got, and you still sitting up here trying to keep this shit going. It's falling apart, man.
Discussing. What does that prove? Moreover, contrary to innumerable sensationalistic media reports, Your Honor, the videos do not depict SMEC's parties. There are no secret cameras, no orgies, no other celebrities involved, no underground tunnels, no minors, and not so much as a hint of coercion or violence.
Did you hear what she just said? Did you hear what she just said?
And not so much as a hint of coercion or violence. No secret cameras, no orgy video reports. Your Honor, the videos do not depict.
What this lawyer just did was break Tisa Tail's little heart right here. Let's go.
Moreover, contrary to innumerable sensationalistic media reports, Your Honor, the videos do not depict SMEC's parties. There are no secret cameras, no orgies, no other celebrities involved, no underground tunnels, no minors, and not so much as a hint of coercion or violence. Now, Diddy's own listing, I think, let's break this down.
No, say something.
Diddy's own listing says that there is an underground grotto under the pool that leads to a private soundproof soundproof movie theater. Diddy's party planners have said that she organizes.
No, let's talk about what's going on. You steady want to talk about goddamn the party planner and the goddamn the feds went there. The feds went. So why didn't it go grab this party planner? You making up shit. You making up shit, man. The feds went. This is the Federal Bureau of Investigations. And you talking about some goddamn party planner.
No secret cameras, no orgies.
No orgies, no secret cameras, no minors, no other people besides him and goddamn Cassie.
No other celebrities involved, no underground tunnels, no minors, and not so much as a hint of coercion or violence. Now,
look, she's stuck.
Diddy's own listing, I think. Let's break this down.
She's stuck.
Diddy's own listing says that there is an underground grotto under the pool that leads to a private soundproof soundproof movie theater. Diddy's party planners have said that she organizes SMEC's parties. The industry knows of Diddy's SMEC's parties. It was the worst kept secret in Hollywood, Diddy's SMEC's parties. And now you're trying to tell us there was never any SMEC's parties. It was only Cassie, Diddy, and always a third person. Diddy is now trying to.
He didn't say that. He said nobody. He didn't say nobody else. He said it was Cassie and it was Diddy. You're trying to move. You.
Diddy's party planners have said that.
Like I said, the feds thing came through, raided the nigga shit, all that they came through, kicked in the door, waved in the fofo. They didn't did all that, right? And you sitting up here trying to make up some shit to fit your narrative. Because if Diddy go free, god damn it, the majority of the shit you be saying is wrong. If that man go free, you just wrong as two goddamn left shoes.
That she organizes SMEC's parties. The industry knows of Diddy's SMEC's parties. It was the worst kept secret in Hollywood, Diddy's SMEC's parties. And now you're trying to tell us there was never any SMEC's parties. It was only Cassie, Diddy, and always a third person. Diddy is now trying to tell us that these freak-offs don't exist.
Hey, I was about to call you out your name. Hey, check this out. The lawyer saw the video. that Cassie gave to the feds, lady. Cassie gave the goddamn video to the feds. The feds forwarded it over to Diddy's lawyer. Diddy lawyer look at it and say, "Oh, the fuck up, where's all this? Where's the bullshit?" He probably was waiting on something. Where is all this shit they talking about? No kids, no underground tunnels, no videos, no coercion, no violence, no none of this shit though. And this is from videos that you just said Cassie saved as evidence. You just said she saved it as evidence. So they got the evidence. It's not looking good. So he's not trying to say it don't exist. No, he's not trying to say that. It ain't like they came with this. This is what the federal government came with against him. He's not trying to say it don't exist. Unless, hold up, unless Diddy lawyer went to court, filed this motion with the judge, and is lying through his goddamn teeth. That's probably the case. If that's gonna satisfy Tisa Tales, that's what happened.
There were no minors. I don't know about that, right? And
what you're doing is you coming with these bullshit civil suits versus this indictment. We're talking about the indictment, lady. There's no minors in his indictment. Stop playing. You want that nigga to go to jail so bad. This feminist shit is, your feminist movement is falling apart. It's looking bad.
No secret cameras? If there were no secret cameras, then how did people get filmed without knowing? Or are you saying they all got filmed? Are you saying in Diddy's whole thing, you didn't have any things? Okay. Far from the government's lurid descriptions, the videos show adults having consensual smacks, plain and simple. At bottom, this case is about whether victim one, Cassie, was or was not willingly a participant in her private smacks like with Mr. Combs. The videos confirm that she plainly was. Do you know how disgusting you have to, I mean disgusting, you have to be to say that the video evidence showed that she enjoyed it? This man that brutally bailed. So are we to say that every sex trafficked teen, every...
Hey, bro, I can't get through too much more of this though, bro. This bitch is an airhead, man. She's an airhead though, bro. And you know, like I said on my last video, she's a better YouTuber than me, because I can't get on here and just be like, just say dumb shit all day and don't care about being dumb and saying stupid shit though. You just saying all kind of shit because you pissed off, because you mad. Because you mad. They got the goddamn videos from Cassie's phone. You just said she saved those videos for evidence. Okay, when the feds get the videos and the feds give it to the lawyer and the lawyer look at it and he say, man, none of this shit is going on what y'all said was going on. None of it. Now, Tisa Tells, just like you said with the Tony Busby and Jay-Z case, you said that the victim had the year wrong. How dare you? Who the fuck are you to say the victim had the year wrong? Oh, it was 2003. She said it was 2000. Who are you to say it was 2003? That's your fucking issue. Something wrong.
Person involved in prostitution, every sex worker, because we have you on video laughing and joking high out your mind that you must have enjoyed it. This is actually really, really sick. And you know what? It's what I would expect of Diddy. And it's what I would expect of anyone that defends Diddy. Your defense is she wanted it. She loved it, of course. Okay.
I can't do this much
They
longer.
said that.
I think I made my point. I think I made my point, man.
Your Honor, the government explained that Cassie, whose attorney gave these videos to the government, requested that they not be produced to protect her privacy, and the government would honor her request. To ensure we would receive discovery without further delay, the defense agreed to receive the discovery under those conditions, while reserving the right in the proposed order to later seek modifications. After spending 4 weeks attempting to schedule viewing of the evidence, so wait a second. Okay, so Cassie's lawyer said that they didn't want these tapes to be produced, the actual tapes, to protect Cassie's privacy, because apparently Cassie even thought that Diddy might circulate these things. Okay, let's keep going. And Diddy's
hey man,
defensive team agreed to this, but like everything with Diddy's team, they are now reneging. They are now taking back.
How the fuck he reneging in the say right here? We said, look, we gonna agree to these terms, but in the near future, we gonna want to modify. Look, we're gonna seek modification and designations from the court. They just said, so how is they reneging? I can't. I think I proved my point. And what I'm saying, it ain't no winning with this motherfucker. I ain't doing no more videos on her, bro. It ain't no winning with her though, bro. This motherfucker crazy. This motherfucker crazy the motherfucker though, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, at the end of the day, I don't know what are you reading. I don't know what are you talking about. And this people, you got 490 something thousand followers, and they eat this shit up when the goddamn shit is right in your face. The man's lawyer got the evidence from the feds, who got the evidence from Cassie, and it clearly the man. What is the man losing his mind? He need a cognitive test or something like that. No, he don't. He's a lawyer. God damn it. He don't see none of the shit they allege in the goddamn indictment. What the fuck? What the shit, man? What's going on? But you want to sit up here and just... It's like they said with Sinatra, the bastard child, man. Western baby. BC De Niro, all nigga. What? He ain't getting zero, man. I can't do this shit, man. I can't do this shit all night with her.